Hello children, I welcome you all to the math class. Hope you all are fine and hope you all are understanding the sums we are doing in the math class, right? So children, today the day is Thursday and it is 15th of July 2021. So have a good day children. Let us start our math class. Before starting the class, let us see the thought for the day today. The thought says that you are stronger than you think. So whatever, how much stronger you are, you think you're more stronger than that. Okay, don't forget that you're stronger enough to achieve everything you want in your life. So always be strong in your life. So children, all of you get ready with your math steps book and copy also. Okay, today we are doing the sums in your copy. So today you will get ready with your math steps book and math step copy. So we are continuing with chapter 4, addition and subtraction today children. Exercise 19. All of you open exercise 19, page number 67. So exercise 19 is in page number 67. So get ready to do the sums. Are you all excited? Yes. So this is the sum. Number 1, find the value. You can see number A, 45 plus 35 minus 24. So you have to both add and subtract. We have learned additions also, we have learned subtractions also. Yes, so here you have to add and subtract. So first write classwork. Don't forget to write classwork. Yes, you will write classwork and you will write today's date. I have already told you the date. The date is 25th of July, that is 07/21. So after once you completed writing class and date, you will write exercise. In the next box you will write exercise 19. So children, number 1 I am doing, find the value of 1A. I will do. You all see how I am doing. 45 plus 35 minus 24. So what you will do here, you will first add the sum. Okay, you will first add the numbers which are with the plus sign, that means 45 and 35. So please add 45 and 35, make a rough column. Here you can make a rough column. You will add 45 plus 35. So when you add 45 with 35, at that time 5 plus 5 is 10. 0 I will write here. 1 I will write here. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. So what you got? You got 80. So you will put equals to sign here. You will write 45 plus 35 is 80 and minus 24 is already there. So minus 24. Now in the rough what you will do? You will again subtract 80 minus 24. So 80 minus 24. So we know that we can't subtract 4 from 0. Yes. So you will make it 1. 8 will become 7 because it has borrowed its 1. So 10 minus 4 is 6. 7 minus 2 is 5. So my answer is 56. So you will write the answer 5, 6, 56. So the answer you got is 56. So hope 1A is clear to you all. Now let us do 1B. Okay, let us do 1B. So 1B first, let me write the question. What is there in question number B? I am doing here 1B. Okay, 1B. So 125 plus 68 minus 89. Okay, 68 minus 89. So I have already told you, you have to draw a rough column out here. Yes, you will continue with the same column. I have done 2 sums in one page, but you will do one sum and you will do another sum just below the first sum. Okay, so 125 plus 68. We will first add 125, 68 Yes, you know how to add the numbers along with its position. In the ones, you will write the number in ones place, tens and hundreds. Yes, so 5 plus 8 is 13. Yes, so 3 I will write here and 1 I will add to its tens position. 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 6 is 9, 1 will be 1. So 193 minus 89 is there. So we will subtract minus 89 from 193. Now let us do the subtraction here in the rough column. So we know that 3 is less than 9, so we can't subtract 9 from 3. So we will make it 13 by borrowing 1 from 9. So 9 will become 8. So 13 minus 9, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So that will be 4. 8 minus 8 will be 0 and 1. So what is the answer you got? The answer you got is 104. So 104 is the answer. So we have completed B also. Now we will do number C. Okay. So let me zoom the screen. Number C I will do here. Let me copy the question first. 1C. This is 1C. So 475. Okay children, 475 plus 215 minus 504. This is the question, and you will draw a rough. You will not forget to draw a rough column in your copy. Okay. So 475 plus 215. It is a 3-digit number. So we will place a value. We will place a number according to its place value. So 215 we will add. So when we add it, 5 plus 5 is 10. 0 I will write here. 1 I will write here. 7, 8 and 9. 9. Yes. 4, 5, 6. So 690 I got. So I will put an equals to sign and I will write 690 minus 504 is already there. So I will write 504. So 690 minus 504. Let us subtract in our rough work. So that will be 10. Yes, because 9 will borrow its 1 and 9 will become 8. So 10 minus 4 is 6. 8 minus 0 is 8 and 6 minus 5 is 1. So the answer I got is 186. So hope you all understood what I am doing. That means whatever I have done, you can check it. What I have done, I have added the sums first, then I have subtracted from the another number. So D you will do it yourself children. D will be your home assignment. Okay. So next children, I will do number 2 now. Okay. Number 2, A and B I will do. C and D you will do it yourself. Number 2 is a little bit different. 510 little bit different. Minus 67 minus 39. So here also we will draw a rough column. We will first subtract 510. We will first subtract 67 from 510 in the rough column. Okay. So when we subtract 67 from 510, so 0 minus 7 is 3. Yes, this will be 10 and this will be 0 again. Again we will borrow 1 from 5 and make it 4, and again 10 minus 6 is 4 and 4 minus 0 is 4. So we got 443 here. Yes, and again we have to subtract 39 from 443. So let us subtract 39 from 443. So we can't subtract 9 from 3 because 3 is smaller than 9. So we will make it 13, and this 4 will borrow 1, so it will become 3. So 13 minus 9 is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That is 4. Yes, 4. 3 minus 3 is 0 and 4 minus 0 is 4. So our answer of 2A is 404. Okay, hope you all have understood. Now 2B. Let me do 2B. This is 2B. The question is 1300 minus 472 minus 124. Yes, the 4 digits number are given there. So let us solve 2D. Let us solve it in the rough portion. What we will do first? Yes, we will first subtract 472 from 1300 or 1300. So this will be 10. This has borrowed, so it will be 9. Yes. So 10 minus 2 is 8. 9 minus 7 is 2. 3 will be 13 because we can't subtract, so it will borrow its 1 and it will become 0. So 13 minus 4 is 9. So it will be 928. Yes, we have to subtract it from minus 124. Again, we have to subtract 124 from 928. So let us subtract again. Minus 124. 8 minus 4 is 4. 2 minus 2 is 0. And 9 minus 1 is 8. So our answer of number 2B is 804. So hope you all have understood what we have done. I have first subtracted the first number, and then whatever the answer I have got, I have subtracted it from second number. So children, I hope you all have understood. So what we did in today's class, we did, let me show you again. We did A and B. Yes, I have done A and B in the class. You will do C and D by yourself. Okay children, so if you find it more interesting, you can solve 3A and B by yourself, but we are skipping this in the class, so you don't have to do. But if you find it more interesting, it is not that you can skip yourself also, you can do it yourself. Okay, so children, I will see you in the next class. Hope you all have understood whatever we have done in today's class. Thank you everyone.